Hey everybody, this is Leon, and today I'm going to show you the round robin feature of the XR Fragments spec. Yes! Alright, so here we have our example 3D asset with embedded XR fragments. So first thing to note, the round robin, what is that? What is round robin? Round robin is, I think, like one of the most simple state management things out there. It's basically you have a set of options and you basically rotate through these options in a linear fashion. So what does that mean for XR fragments? So it's basically the pipe symbol. So here you can see AR pipe VR. This means if you click this href, first it will trigger AR, the predefined view, but if you click it again, it will trigger the VR predefined view. So you can basically cycle through these options. You could add another pipe if you want to. So how does this look in reality? I'm gonna click it right now. So now you can see it's becoming white. So first let me explain. It's white because we're watching this in the browser. If you would watch this with some goggles on, basically your room would appear right now. So if you load up this model in our sandbox on your goggles, you would see the room. You have to press the AR button though in the sandbox, just to be sure. If I press it again and watch the URL, now it's #AR. If I press it again, boom. Now it changed to #VR. Suddenly we have our sky back, we have our floor back, we have everything. Because, you know, in VR it's fully immersive. And in AR, we already have a floor, we have a sky, we have all these things. So you're probably wondering what magic has been embedded in this model to make this work. Well, it's very, very simple. I'm gonna show it to you right now. I have this model loaded up in Blender, a popular 3D editor. And here we basically have the same scene. Let me zoom in a bit. So this is the same scene, and on the root object of this scene we have custom properties. Those are not level 0 XR fragments, but level 1. And here you can see that #AR basically performs these XR fragments. First, the pos, the user position fragment, it sets the camera at this location, and then it executes this query minus, which means exclude, slash, which means from the root scene only, so not in nested objects, an object with name sky. And the same goes for floor. Remove that from the root scene, the glass dome, and the floor stone. If I would do that just in Blender, then you would see sort of the same effect. Let's hide glass dome, floor stone, floor, and sky. Where is sky? Oh yeah, it was hidden already. So here we have sort of the same. And what is important to note, if I press AR here, then you can see like no sky, no floor, but for some reason, and this is very cool, our SRC object, which was importing using this query, everything except the sky and the queue, it's still showing the floor. And this is very nice because in AR mode you only want to hide the sky and the floor from the root scene. So now we're still able to see the floor here of this src object, and that's very powerful. So this is just to show you the importance of the slash operator once in a while. Sometimes you don't want queries to perform in a nested way. Sometimes you just want to restrict them to the root scene. So this is the power of this AR and VR predefined views. If I press it again, yeah, it basically shows the sky, the floor, and all these things again, because there is no minus operator here. So this is basically it. It's super simple, but don't be mistaken, this is pretty powerful. You can create checkbox like interactions with this. You could create your own checkbox by simply toggling state. You can also combine these things, as you can see here, using the N operator, 1, 2, 3, and not 2 and AR. So yeah, kid you not, this is pretty powerful stuff. So yeah, there's no scripting in XR Fragments, just queries and round robin. But again, you can do a lot of things with that. All right, I hope this helps, and see you in the next video. Cheers.